Science Seekers, this is Mr. Pfeiffer. Oh, what I'm holding right now, this is really heavy. This is a fantasy football trophy I won from the Adams teachers over at Jane Addams Junior High. Mr. Pfeiffer was part of their fantasy football league, and the reason we're doing our lesson today is because this one has to do with the general principle of science, and that is mass versus weight. This sucker is really heavy. It's made out of real metal and leather, all right? It's heavy. Travels to the different schools that win it, and it's found its way over here at Mead. So we want to take this Mead-made sticker and put it on our trophy so that we understand and know whose trophy this is this year, okay? But before we do that, we need to understand, like I said, that was really heavy, if you remember me saying that. So what we're going to do is a quick little experiment to show you what exactly is mass. So, if you take a look, this sticker, it looks relatively light, and what we have here is a pan balance. A pan balance is used to measure things that are not very heavy. This is so heavy we couldn't even put this on here. Notice this is a balance, not a scale. A balance measures mass. You don't measure weight in science. In science, we use the metric system. So what's the difference between them? Well, mass is constant. Mass is always constant. This belt will always have the same mass, and it is very heavy, like I said, but it will always have the same mass no matter where you go, whether it be here or space, and that's the big difference, all right? Mass is basically a measurement of an object's inertial property. It's the amount of matter it contains inside of it. So how many particles are in here will always be that. But the weight can change because we are all sitting on Earth. Weight is dependent on gravity. Weight does change based on whether you're on the moon, whether you're in zero gravity where you would weigh nothing and you'd float, or you're here on Earth here. So we have this sticker. When you put it on the pan balance, you can see it has a mass of 2.9 grams. And we're going to put that bad boy right on our belt here so that we can have a nice signature of whose fantasy football trophy this is for this 2021 season. That's going to conclude our Science Seeker episode, Principles of Science, Mass versus Weight. This is Mr. Pfeiffer. Peace out, guys.